Do you know that na nwoke a ị na-afụ here na-echu Nigeria ka na-echu mmiri? Do you know that na nwoke nwe Facebook a na-echu Nigeria ka na-echu mmiri? Have you asked yourself why? You know the man a na-akpọ Brekete, the popular name Brekete. This man mere something exposed about a year ago. Ebe ọ na-ekwu maka something ọkpọrọ Californium, one of the most expensive mineral resources in the whole wide world. According to the Brekete, that 1 gram, just a gram of this Californium no in billions of dollars. And this Californium no in the northern Nigeria, na North Kodi. According to the man, there are so many gold and other mineral resources in the northern part of Nigeria. And that is the reason why aging with the presence of all kinds of terror, Boko boys, all kinds of terror, and they can create more oil mellow for Jupiter and North. Particularly those areas, community or state, this Californium, gold, and other natural mineral resources in the North, came with the presence of the Terronina, the Muslim mother, the North. I don't want to mention name of the states, Ebendianos, you know better. All the same West, Ndiocha, Creatory, the Terronina, can the Terronia, where help offer protect here. Who see the people who do? They kefala for above this year because of the mineral resources in the West. Na biawelo the same thing na Imo State. Do you know Igbo? Now Saudi Arabia, who number 1 crude oil producing country, and number 2 Igbo, ebe called the Imo State after Saudi Arabia. Adigime oil. Fancy crude oil, ndị Igbo bụ number 2 in the world. Do you know that as I'm talking to you now, na oil enweghị value in the market? Kachi na-efo ka oil na-lose value, which is why many politicians na-agbagasi gị Nigeria enweghị ego. The pipe elayiri from Imo State across Nigeria to African countries down to Mediterranean Sea, to Europe and America, oil, crude oil. Because oil equals the value. Faberzie lay another pipe for your crude oil. Your crude oil ka Faberzie welo na kibazwa. In 25th century, under our nose, under our watch, in a country where youth emepanya, mulanya, ibulegbagi, imulanya, ibulabagi, imulanya, ebelamogi. Ndị ọcha abịa use your leaders construct a multi-billion dollar project in crude oil to America and Europe. This multi-billion project here, just 2024, they finished that project from Imo State down to Europe. Your crude oil, which was the reason they kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu, but Simon Ikpa, and when they made Biafra only in Imo State, exactly those areas, and with this crude oil, okay, and they lay this pipe. Oga, Simon Ikpa, na with the men in Imo State. That was okay, and they lay this pipe. The pipe, lay Chagoya, a complete Goya to Europe. A man submit rest. We see men there, Wobutuzo, Wowane Butuzo, Wowane gentle. And a gentle narrow escape. Now what nina and a Imo State or they call Nemo Kaneme Biafra and in the name no Biafra kana chinyege, all because of the piper and a lay for that crude oil now got to the west. Ndi banode abia lay ya pipe na mele your crude oil. I'm good oil for the last century. Megidia waloya develop all their countries. Oluko oil kusere gafia. Facho tazie na crude but the best now currently in the world. Fabio again, now mekwa your crude oil. Ife melo our ancestors, our fathers, obi family see. In 24th century, emekwa ya monagi, 90% of Igbo youth are Molobi family, and many of you can't even believe me. Many will still come in the comment section for me. Igbo youth amulanya, ndị oche isi all the way from their country, bịa n'ime ala Igbo, in a backyard, gbawa mụ na gị aka, nalụ gị ife gị, naba. Nnamdi Kanu ma, that n'ife dị ụtọ na chi bịa, o wee create ya IPOB, create ya ESN, fe use our political leaders, sabotage ya, kidnap ya, dump ya n'ime, abawa gị aka nala gị ife gị, ito ọnụ azụ, na-akpọzi your Messiah nụ, bụ Nnamdi Kanu onye oshi, no ya bụ your problem. But the people be your problem. In celebrate fun. Why now? If finish that project, I completely that pipe to the west. Came a ceremony by arrest. Why now? Can a kuzioku? Nam nan kan gaputa. Why now? Can governor Ndimo gazna church? Asibo yalanumu ni for Gemelono. Ndi woto budi key. Why now? Kebu trafanine. Ana for the forzo. No more their presence in a Kototo, everywhere in Imo State. No more their convoy. No more the content. Father many more fear. No more ane bundiaga. Ndiaga na boso. Ana bwebwe. Abagedege chifu. No more now. Why now? The project completely. Ndị Igbo. Ekwulefu malo kenye. Ma ekwu anoge malo nwata. Ndị ichie Chinedum. Ezigomozi. Mbrazegi today. Sigi, wake up before it's too late. Let's come together under the umbrella IPOB, because that is where we're going to get a solution to our problem. Without Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB, ndị Igbo unu ga-afụ nke trobiati. Only Biafra IPOB ga-enye anyị solution. Udo dịrị n'ụmụ Igbo ka ọ dị.